Managing construction fleets is no small task. With rising fuel costs, vehicle breakdowns, and scheduling delays, unnecessary downtime can throw off an entire project. Without visibility into your fleet, you're left guessing. Where are your drivers? How long are they idling? Are vehicles being used properly? FieldLogix gives you total control. Track every vehicle in real time. Monitor driver behavior. Get alerts for excessive idling, speeding, and maintenance issues, all from your phone or desktop. With route optimization, FieldLogix helps your drivers take the most efficient paths, saving fuel, reducing wear and tear, and keeping your projects on schedule. FieldLogix promotes safer driving. Our scoring system highlights risky behavior so you can coach your team and protect your people, and lower your insurance premiums. Catch maintenance issues before they become costly problems. FieldLogix notifies you when it's time for service, extending vehicle life and keeping operations smooth. Turn your data into action. With detailed reports, trends, and insights, FieldLogix empowers you to make informed decisions that grow your bottom line. Ready to take control of your construction fleet? Visit our website to take a virtual tour of our platform.